The cosine rule also applies to every single triangle possible, okay, and not just to right angle triangles. So again, the most important thing is angle A has to be opposite to side A, angle B has to be opposite to side B, and angle C has to be opposite to side C. Again, capital letters are used for angles and small letters are used for sides. So what the cosine rule is, c squared equals to a squared plus b squared, very much like the Pythagorean theorem. But this is a thing that goes after minus 2ab cosine of c. Okay, the most important thing is that this side squared has to be opposite to the angle that you are cosigning. Okay, so if you can also rewrite this as a squared equals to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine. Now, if this was a, then cosine has to be cosine of the angle opposite to it, which is a. Okay, it can also be written as b squared equals to a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cosine. Again, if this was the side is b, then on the other side of the equation, cosine has to be cosine angle b. Okay, they have to be opposite. So that's the most important part. All of them are the same thing because I can freely label the sides as A, B, C as I wish. There is no more hypotenuse. Okay, as long as the side and angle are opposite, you're okay. So here, these two are opposite, and these two are opposite. Okay, I should use a different color there. Okay, this and this is opposite, and I can say that this and this are opposite. As long as they are opposite, we're okay. So how do we use this? For example, you might get a triangle. Okay, let's do a normal triangle. Okay, any triangle you want. And I'm looking for x. I know that this angle is, let's say, 70 degrees, and I know this is 12 and this is 18. Okay, I want you girls to find x. Now, according to this, the most important thing is that the side I'm looking for is opposite to the angle that I'm going to use. All right, so this means that okay, x squared equals to a squared plus b squared minus 2 times by a b 18 cosine of the angle opposite to it. So again, I'm going to highlight the fact that angle and sine must be opposite to each other. And from there, it's just a matter of putting everything into a calculator. 12 squared plus 18 squared minus 2 times by 12, 18 cosine 70. Okay, that will give you 320.24729, yada yada yada. Now, once you get to here, a lot of people then just stop there because, hey, they found x, but they haven't found x, they found x squared. Don't forget this is the squared value. Okay, so you have to then say, therefore, what is x? X is the square root of that. So if I square root that answer, square root answer is going to give me 17.9. Okay, that's your final answer. Don't forget to square root. Don't forget to square root. And please do not round your answer until the very last step. Do not round here. Only round at very last step.